Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover a Snapchat account without phone number or email. If you're using Snapchat and you want to recover your lost Snapchat account without using your phone number or your email, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here go to search and search for Snapchat support because not through this you have a single way. You have to try to contact the Apple support. So just simply search for Snapchat support. And here you just have to open the first website, and here just scroll down and look for the option of contact us. Here's the option of contact us. Just select this, and here just scroll down and look for account access my account. Just select this option here, and from here you can select any option which you want. And let's say I'm gonna select this one. So here just further scroll down and you will get the option of still need help. So under still need help, you'll get the option of contact Snapchat support. Just select this option. And here you have to scroll down and look for your username section. Just enter your account username, then enter your email address and your mobile number. And after that, you have to enter this submit option. So here you can also try to enter any description that your account has been lost and you want to recover it without using your phone number or your email address or something which you want to. And after that, just have a submit option and your request will be submitted to Snapchat support team. So once you have submitted your request, Snapchat will review your report and then they'll recover your account. So in this way, you can easily recover your Snapchat account without using your phone number or your email address. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.